This is a Potaroma Smart Self-Refill Pet Water Fountain. And we're going to review it and see how it works. See if the cats and the dogs like the fresh water. Okay, here's all the pieces. I'm going to put it together and see how easy that is. Okay, we've got it all set up. It's blinking here.
Battery.
And it's got a charge, and it's got a little bowl. This is your clean water tank, and then that's your used water tank. This lifts up, so you can go clean it. To fill this, you leave it here and just hook that and pour it in there somewhere. There we go. Now, it hasn't filled up yet because of the battery, so we gotta wait for that.
I guess it needs to short. Okay, we want to unlock. Okay, there. Go one.